Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about a great opportunity that you can get advantage of or to use it to make some money online just by flipping products. I will show you how you can do it on Costco if you can use this wholesale platform to get this product for a lower price, or because I don't prefer this one, but a lot of people ask me about if they can do this because they are it's more easy to get products from it than import products from China, but it's not that complicated, guys. I mean, if you limit yourself to just work with Costco and to get products from Costco, you are limited when it comes to products, and the prices are really high, and you will not get, some great profit margins. That's why I prefer, or I recommend for you guys in this video to go with another alternative, which is Aliexpress. You can get some good products when it comes to quality, high quality products with the lowest price ever in the planet. So if you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and watch this video till the end. So for example, let's say we're gonna take sunglasses as an example. So as you can see right here, I'm not a member, or I don't sign in this website, which is Costco.com. Can use it as well. So as you can see, this is the product that you have. You know, look at the numbers. Only 5 products or listing available for $25 to $50, which is really high. Just 5. You are really limited to. You don't have anything to do. Just 5 products, and they don't like this. They are not that good. Just 5 products, and if it doesn't work, you don't have any other options. But look at this gold mine. AliExpress is a gold mine, actually. So as you can see right here, look at this product. For $8, you will get this shiny, this amazing sunglasses. Let's click on them. Some great products, and when you are looking at them, you are ready to pay something like $50 just to get these sunglasses, but you will get them only for $8. Look, even you can get this kind of products, like this kind of sunglasses. They are really, really good. And for a lower price, look at this one. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's see. So as you can see, just look at this one. For $8, for $8, you can get this product. And imagine how you can, or how does it work actually, because this is the price in China, right? And you need to add something like a dollar. Oh, look at the shipping. The shipping is only 80 cents. It's not even a dollar. So at the end, you would get this product for something like $10, and you can sell it on Amazon. For example, something like let's just say for $27, and you will get $70 profit just by listing it on Amazon or any other website or platform that you can use on the US to sell products. You can do this by doing by shipping it to the others, or just use the drop shipping business model, something like you collect the orders first. If you have an e-commerce store, you can do this. You can get this advantage of this lower prices right here. It's really good, and you will make a lot of money doing this. And you can get this kind of products for $8 as well. And you can read the video right here. You can watch the video. Let's see this one for $7. Let's click on it. I want to see this one as well. And look at this one as well with the lights for $9. That's why I just ask myself why people are limiting themselves to go with Costco, or they try to make money on drop shipping using Walmart products and all of these stuffs. You are just limiting yourself in these tight niches or in these tight marketplaces, and you have the opportunity to get the highest quality and the latest or the latest innovation and the trends and the design, the quality, the lower price, the price, is amazing, and you can make more money by selling these products instead of limiting yourself going with Costco or Walmart or whatever other wholesale or marketplace you want to use to as a product supplier. That's why I prefer AliExpress. And you know what? The most successful people in this kind of businesses, which is drop shipping or e-commerce, they are using or they are getting products from China. That's why everybody is talking about China, because China scared them, because they are doing the hard work and they are creating the best products and with the most affordable prices worldwide, and you can get advantage of that because not everybody in the US know about AliExpress or you know trust AliExpress or want to buy from AliExpress. But you can, for example, let's see with this one, as I said, you can get this product, right? Create your own packaging, right? Just give it a name, just a normal name in application in a box. You can get them from AliExpress as well for the lower price, as you can see, or you can get this box from your country, just from a local shop, near to your house. Just get this and make sure to print your design to create something like a brand, because as you can see, this kind of products in AliExpress, they don't have any brands, or make sure that they don't have any brands, logos or designs, to avoid problems with copyright issues and all the stuff. And you can create your own brand. It's really easy because you have a lot of choices with just type sunglasses. Imagine when we are talking about something like clothes or I don't know, skincare products. There are a lot of niches that you can start looking for and discovering in this platform or in this website, aliexpress.com, and you will get amazed. There are a lot of products. Just for this product you will get something like tens of suppliers with different prices, and everybody compete each other to get more sales by lowering the price, and you get advantage from this competition between the suppliers to get cheapest product with the highest quality. That's why all the time I say thanks China, because if I think if another country did the same, will not get advantage of this. They will just try to uh, dominate and keeping everything for them and try to make the prices higher and a lot of problems. But with China you can get these products really cheap and you can resell them with a great profit margin that will make you more money, and that's gonna help you improve your business and scale your business as well. So that was everything for today's video. It was just a quick or a small or an idea about the whole point or the whole process, how it works or how you can get these products to resell them. uh, if you still like to go with Costco or this kind of websites or platforms, just go, there's no problem. But for me, I prefer to go with AliExpress to do some dropshipping or e-commerce using these platforms. That was everything for today's video. See you in the next video, guys.